Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the popsicle in Grow a Garden. First, you'll need to gather 3 specific ingredients from your garden. Look for 1 ripe strawberry, 1 fresh blueberry, and 1 crisp mint leaf. Once you have these items, head over to your crafting station. This easy method ensures you get your delicious treat quickly and efficiently. Now that you're at the crafting station, open your inventory and drag each of the 3 ingredients into the designated crafting slots. Make sure all 3 are correctly placed. Then, simply click the craft button to start the process. The game will show a progress bar, and your popsicle will be ready in about 15 seconds. It's a quick and satisfying process. Once the crafting timer finishes, your freshly made popsicle will appear in the output slot of the crafting station. Simply click on it to add it to your inventory. You can then choose to consume it immediately or save it for a special moment. Eating the popsicle provides a temporary energy boost, helping you work more efficiently in your garden for a short period. To maximize your gardening efficiency, consider crafting several popsicles at once. They stack in your inventory, allowing you to have a ready supply for those long gardening sessions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of fruits and herbs from your garden. You might discover other unique and beneficial treats. Also, for those looking to make meal prep easier in real life, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.